quick video of bug removal. I am not gonna pre-wash. I'm not gonna rinse it. I'm just gonna spray directly on, but I'm only gonna do it on the left-hand side over here. So this is the front of the car. I'm mainly gonna do these two spots, right here and right here, using two different products. First one's gonna be my favorite, Bug and Smudge Remover by Griot. And the second is going to be their other bug remover, which I don't like as well. So this is their other one, their Tar Bug and Sap Remover. I was telling my wife, I was like, you see how bug is second on this one, but first on the other one? I think that's the way it goes, because this one here will melt the tar that's on your car. And I have a white car, in fact, two white cars. So I'm always getting tar off the sides. This one here is bug first, and you'll see this one here will melt bugs off. So I'm not gonna even do the rest of it. I'll take care of this when I'm done. I just want to do this on this dry car, just like it is. So let me get this ready here. And this will answer the question, which one should I get? Well, if you have tar, get the tar and bug remover. If you have bugs, get the bug and smudge remover. In my opinion, your mileage may vary. All right, I am ready to spray. Gotta cut the lid off. I'm ready to spray on the bug and smudge because it's ready to go. I'm shaking up the can on the tar and bug. So I'm gonna only let them set for about 30 seconds and you'll see, this is the tar and bug. I'm just gonna spray on this big bug right here. I'm gonna give it a nice generous amount. And then immediately go over to the next big bug section with this one. I'm gonna just do some sprays right here. Look at that, sprayed and it's already melting. Already melting. This one here, nothing. But the tar bug and sap remover does do that to tar, whereas the bug and smudge remover isn't made for it. Look at that. I just bought a gallon of this. I had to buy two, what size is the 22 ounce? Yeah, I had to buy two 22 ounce bottles of this on eBay because I ran out and I have two white cars. I'm always needing my bugs splattered off of here. So there you go. Answers the question, in my opinion. Which one's better, bug and tar remover, or bug and smudge remover, or Tar Bug and Sap Remover by Griot? And I think the answer is clear. That one melts the bugs away.